Hello, I'm Greg Antoinette. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Would you like to read and write in English language within 1 month? There are tricks to be able to read and write in English language. You would never forget the letter S with the tricks I will be showing you in this video. So, if you want to follow up on the tricks I reveal on how to read and write in English language, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share, to like, and comment. Hold on. Have you been following my videos? Wow! I love you. You are precious to me. Don't forget to watch the previous videos so that you can be able to understand this video. To be able to read and write in English language, you must first of all be able to pronounce the English alphabet. The English alphabet comes in the small letter and the capital letter. There are 26 letters of the alphabet. The small letter S and the capital letter S is the 19th letter of the alphabet. There are two letters on the screen. The first is the small letter S, and the second is the capital letter S. The first trick you must know is that all letters in English language, in whatever you are writing it from, is always moving to the right side of the hand. The letter S is pronounced as S. 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 Another trick you need to know is to know the particular part of the mouth to use when pronouncing the letter S. The mouth is open at the initial sound. Then the tip of the tongue touches the upper gum at the later sound to produce the S sound. Another thing you need to know is that the English alphabet has phonic sounds. The phonic sound of letter S is S. If you don't want to forget the S sound, then remember the sound that most people make when they want to call someone they don't know their name from a distance. So they say S, S, S. So, keeping this in mind, you will never forget the S sound. When producing the S sound, air is blown through closed teeth to produce the S sound. So, what part of the mouth do you think was very important to producing the S sound? Drop your answer in the comment section, and don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to this channel. So, letter S sounds S. Let's recite it and say it quickly. So, letter S sounds S. Letter S sounds S. Letter S sounds S. Letter S sounds S. Wow! Great job! Examples of English words that begin with letter S sounds S are S as in seed, S as in sun, S as in spoon. Another trick you need to know is that the English alphabet is formed with the different placement of a curve, a stroke, and a dash. You can look on your screen to see the diagrams. For the small letter S, it is formed with a curve to the left, merged with a curve to the right below. The capital letter S is also formed with a curve to the left, merged with a curve to the right below. So, between the small letter S and the capital letter S, what do you think is the difference? Send your answer to the comment section, and don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.